live show from Interactive Design Video Production Studio at Hennepin Technical College. My name is Chef Denis and I'm here with Tim Vang. We'll be right back with you. And we are back here at Hennepin Technical College, Food What You Love, interactive show from Interactive Video Design Studio at Hennepin Technical College. I'm Chef Denis. I'm happy to be back here. It's Monday, and I have a very special guest today. My very special guest today is Tim Vang, my student, right?
Yes.
So welcome, thank you. You are the current student right now. So, and you are my former student. How the heck that works together?
Well, because in the last semester here, I was your student, but now that I'm in my last semester, I'm not in your classes anymore.
Okay, well, I miss you. I miss you. Well, thank you for coming here. Thank you for taking your time. And, well, tell me a little bit about yourself. I mean, how did you actually ended up even coming to a decision to become a chef?
Well, I'm going to tell you what I tell everybody when they ask me this question. It's because whatever I'm doing or where I am, I'm cooking. Like regardless if I'm just hanging out with my friends or family, I always end up in a kitchen or in the kitchen making food for them.
So let me ask you, I have to ask you, did you cook Thanksgiving meal?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
It was great.
Wonderful.
6 hours of cooking.
6 hours of cooking, turkey and mashed potato or mac and
potatoes,
cheese?
Mac and cheese,
yes,
everything.
yes, wonderful, wonderful. So you decided to become a chef because it's your passion?
Yes.
Okay, so you just love cooking, and why did you decide to take and to come to Hennepin Technical College?
Well, because mostly because of the reviews from other students that have been here before.
Okay.
There were, when I was looking for a college to go to, there were multiple choices, like Cordon Bleu or in St. Paul, but...
All right. And we are the only two colleges left currently. It's us and St. Paul Community College. We are the sister brother colleges basically, so, but wonderful. So you've been student here for how long again?
1.5 years. I'm currently in my last semester here.
So you're graduating actually this semester?
Yes, this semester.
Wonderful. Yes. I'm very happy for you. So, and well, tell me, throughout your almost 2 years here, what were some of your maybe best experiences?
Some of my best experiences is probably working with live lobster.
Seriously?
Lobster was probably the best one.
And which semester?
That was first semester.
Okay.
So all you guys that want to come in and touch live lobster.
Okay. And what did you do with it? You just looked at it?
No, we actually broke them down.
So you really killed the live lobster?
Yes, we killed live lobster.
Okay,
we learned how to do it as humane as possible.
Okay,
so
wonderful.
That was fun. And then we just made a dish out of them.
Good. And that was the first semester when you learned a lot of stuff with Chef Dorn. And then second semester, so what did you do then?
Second semester, we had a class called Global Cuisine with Chef Jonathan Kay. And what he did was he taught us about other cultures and other cuisines from different worlds. And we had to cook and taste all the foods from there, so that was great.
Wonderful. And then you actually ended up coming to me and take the third semester. So tell me about, and you can be as candid as, honest as possible. We only live here. So how did you like the third semester and what did you do basically?
It was great. We were cooking every day. We were in the restaurant. And what I remember the most from that semester was our 5 courses. And what that is having to come up with menus and work with our fellow classmates on how to run
And this is actually one of the dishes, right, that you created. So this is actually part of your 5 course here. And what do we have here?
This is a Pan Seared Scallop with carrot puree and rosemary lemon beurre Blanc.
Okay, beautiful. Tell me, what was the most difficult part probably, with that 5 course? I mean, is it cooking? Because you have to come up with the recipe, you have to come up with the presentation, you have to kind of screw it up sometimes, right? To make sure that it's perfect to your standard. But what did you take away from it?
What I took away from it was management the most, because not knowing how my other classmates would work with the kind of cuisine that I picked. I had to work with them every day, especially since I myself haven't had a lot of experience with the cuisine also.
All right.
So that was great.
Wonderful. So that's a real kitchen experience.
Yes.
Now, are you able to take this experience any places right now?
Yes, you will take it wherever you are. Like as soon as you're out of school, even when you're in school, like learning to manage is one of the best things that you can do.
So tell me, where are you now?
I am in a restaurant called Woodhill Country Club.
Okay, wow, that's a great club. And I know the chef there,
Yes, Chef David Vlach.
David
Hello,
Vach.
David.
By the way, hello, and thank you for letting Chef Tim take day off today and join me here. And I believe you presented this dish at the club too, right? You're
Yes.
working on maybe putting this dish on a menu, actually. That's wonderful. So how do you like working at the country club?
It's great. David Vlach knows a lot.
Okay.
He's a busy person, but when he has the time to, he'll come and help you learn whatever you
That's
need.
beautiful.
All the sous chefs there are great people.
Awesome, awesome. What are your plans for future?
In the future, once I'm done with school, I'm probably going to get a second job because
Okay.
I want as much experience as I can in kitchens because every kitchen is going to be different and
Absolutely.
you're never going to know the type of people that are going to be in there.
Absolutely.
And then after that, hopefully have my own food truck one day.
All right. Well, let's cook today, right?
Yeah, great.
So we're making this dish today. So let's tell us a little bit about the ingredients that we're going to be using. And
All right.
what do we have here?
We'll start with this. This is my carrot puree.
Okay.
And what I did was just slice them very thin and then simmer them in water with sugar, salt, and butter.
Okay, so we have the beautiful carrot. By the way, very nice texture, very beautiful color. So, all right, thank you. And what's the sauce? How do you make the sauce?
This is a white butter sauce, which is Beurre Blanc.
Beurre Blanc, that's literally from French, the
Yes.
white butter wine sauce, okay?
So what I did was take white wine and threw some shallots, rosemary, and black peppercorns in it.
Okay,
And then I simmered it on low to medium heat until it reduces by half, and then throw in butter, slowly, cold butter.
wonderful, wonderful. So I'm going to help you a little bit. So I'm going to be keep whisking this while you actually preheating the pan, right? And tell me, why are we using this pan today?
This is a cast iron pan.
Okay.
These pans are really good because they hold heat very well.
So it's a very dense metal, and what Tim means is when you actually preheating the pan and you putting your cold product on a pan, the pan doesn't really get cold,
Yes.
basically. So it maintains its heat. Okay,
So we'll start with the medium to high heat and let it warm up.
wonderful. And a lot of people, you can definitely do those scallops on a regular pan, but the secret again is to preheat the pan first.
Yes.
Okay. And what are we using for scallops? Well, so we have the sea scallops,
Yes.
definitely.
So you want the scallops to be as dry as possible so that when you put them in the pan, they can have a nice sear.
Okay. And we're using fresh scallops, so
Yeah,
they're
these
not
are
frozen.
fresh scallop, non-frozen at all.
Can you use the frozen scallops?
You can, but you would want to thaw them out under running water and have it covered with like plastic wrap or something so that
Okay.
the water does not break the scallop apart.
Wonderful. And it's a mussel, so I mean,
Yes.
it's a lot of protein there. And definitely what you want to do is you probably want to pat dry them.
Yes.
So before you actually start searing them. So great. What kind of oil are you going to use?
I'm going to be using olive oil. It heats up fairly quickly and has a high heat point, so
Okay,
it'll
wonderful.
be great.
So, and we're preheating our pan.
Yes.
Good. It's on
Medium,
High.
high to medium.
good. I can see that the heat is coming up from the pan already.
Yep.
Good.
It should probably be okay to.
Use a
Oil
little bit
it.
of olive oil.
Yep. Just enough to cover the surface of the pan.
Good.
Not too much.
Wonderful.
Also, make sure you always have a towel on hand because cast irons can get very hot.
And how long are you planning to pan sear your scallops?
The scallops takes about 5 minutes to cook.
Okay.
Two minutes on each
2
side.
minutes on each side. Wonderful.
All right, now
Oh,
that the
I see
scallop
this,
is heating
yeah,
up.
good.
All right, let's put on our gloves.
And you can use the spatula or you can use the tongs, right?
Yep.
Good. Oh, you learned a lot.
Thanks to you
That's
guys.
wonderful, wonderful. Have you done this dish besides the country club? Have you done this dish anyplace else? At
Yes,
home, maybe?
I've made it at home for my family to eat.
Wonderful.
We'll start with the scallops.
All right.
Lay it away from you. You want to hear a nice sizzle.
Oh,
right
you can
there.
hear this nice and sizzle. You do, and again, we're only pan searing 3 scallops right now. So, but if you are planning to do more, especially if they are smaller in size, you do not want to overcrowd the pan because you do not want them to steam.
Yes.
You want them to sear, right? Wonderful. Well, we have this nice sound, we have the pan going. How about we'll show you a quick video about our culinary arts program and about interactive design program. So we'll be right back, watch the video, and we then come back.
College provides hands-on training for careers in culinary arts. Become a chef today. You'll gain a solid foundation in cooking and technique. Classes start in January and August. Hennepin Technical College. Get ready to go to work.
Hennepin Technical College provides hands-on training for careers in interactive design, video production, and animation. Classes start in January and August. Hennepin Technical College. Let's do this.
We are back. We're still working on our scallops. You can see the smoke is coming up. So you definitely want to have a good ventilation if you're pan searing your scallops. And again, about 2 minutes on each side. Do you want to start plating?
Yes, we can.
Absolutely. Okay.
We'll start with the
Carrot puree?
carrot puree over here.
Wonderful.
So what I
And
usually
what did you use? Did you use blender to puree the carrot?
Yes, I prayed it in a blender.
Okay.
All right. I usually do a dab right in the center of the plate. Nice and spread out.
Good. And the scallops are such a wonderful ingredient. You can definitely use it as appetizer, as the main course.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah. Some Beurre Blanc right on the side here. Nice.
You
spread
will learn to
out.
do a lot here at Hennepin Tech. Good.
There we go.
Wonderful.
All right,
You
these
wanna check the
scallops
scallops?
should be
Absolutely.
just about right to flip. When they come off the pan like this, that's
Oh,
when you
that's
know.
beautiful.
That's when you know they're good.
Okay. Nice color. Nice
Nice and
caramel,
seared.
nice and seared.
So
Good.
another 2 minutes and it'll be great.
Wonderful. And what about the garnish part?
The garnish is just rosemary, but I'm going to light it on fire.
Oh, go ahead. I want to see that.
All right.
All right. We have the fire extinguisher anywhere, just in case? Just kidding.
So we'll take this.
All right.
All right.
And why do you do this?
Because when the rosemary is burned, it gives off a really nice scent.
Okay. This is why sometimes we toss our seasoning,
Yep.
our spices.
All right. Let's burn it up here.
Oh, beautiful. Good.
There we go.
Oh, wow. Good. Oh, I can smell it definitely.
If we just set it to the side, let it cool down.
All right. Our scallops look delicious.
All right. Now that they're coming off,
I
it's
can
just
definitely
great.
smell.
All right.
Beautiful.
Turn this off and we can start plating.
Let's do it.
Do one here. One here. Then with the rosemary on the top to finish it off.
This is
All right.
absolutely beautiful. Tim, you did a great job.
Thank you. Thank you.
Absolutely great job. Well, this is exactly what food, what you love, supposed to be. I am so happy to have you here. I am very thrilled to have you as a student. I'm very excited for you that you're already in the field, that you're already working, you found your niche, you like what you do. Keep doing what you do. I wish you the best. I hope one day I'll be able to come and, enjoy the meal at your own place. Thank you, Tim, for coming.
Great.
This is Food What You Love. Thank you for watching us. Come back next week for more. Thank you.
Hennepin Technical College provides hands-on training for careers in culinary arts. Become a chef today. You'll gain a solid foundation in cooking and technique. Classes start in January and August. Hennepin Technical College. Get ready to go to work.
Hennepin Technical College provides hands-on training for careers in interactive design, video production, and animation. Classes start in January and August. Hennepin Technical College. Let's do this.